What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, who is ready? Who's ready to become a crypto millionaire? We know that we're going to have the opportunity to do so, but how many people are going to be able to do it? The opportunity, you have to find a way to grasp that and understand that. And yes, you have to accept your initial investment, you have to accept your profit, but having that opportunity at least to become a crypto millionaire is just amazing. I had a conversation with some friends earlier, and earlier in the week, I would say, where we talked about cryptocurrency and the future of crypto, and it was just interesting to me to hear the stories that they hear and what got them into cryptocurrency, because most of the people that I talked to got in late. They saw my videos way before, but they just believed in the traditional market, but now they see the gains and they also see other people that are making money. You know how, like, sometimes if you're in a, let's say, in a relationship, right, where you say, hey, this is what you need to do, right, and this is what you need to do to maybe gain more muscle, or this is what you need to do in order to eat healthier, this is what you need to do in order to have a better financial mindset, and you explain to that significant other or person in your life that that's what you need to do. But then they take that and they just kind of, it goes in one ear and out the other. But then they hear it from another person, and that other person, for some reason, it sticks with them a little bit more, right? That's kind of the way that I feel here, because all of the people that I talk to, I mentioned crypto a long time ago. I mentioned investing a long time ago. But they never went through with that. They never said, okay, I'll hear you out. I want to see what crypto has to offer. And it's funny to me, but they found a way to get in, and they got in late. And I'm like, all right, well, it's not the latest that you can get in. I mean, at the moment, it's the latest. But when you look at the grand scheme of things, you look at where Bitcoin is going, where Ethereum is going, where XRP is going, all of these positions are going and what they're going to be used for. It's not necessarily late. It's just late as of right now. You could have been in at a $1 trillion market cap. You could have been in at a $800 billion market cap if you decided to, just hear me out and hear some other people out as well. But it took until crypto was running, and those people telling you that, hey, we're making a lot of money, and then remembering, oh, you know what? Matt used to talk about cryptocurrency. Let's go see what he's up to. Oh, he's still talking about it? Well, he must be up quite a bit. Well, I am. So let's talk about the crypto market. Let's talk about that opportunity of becoming a crypto millionaire and whether you will become a crypto millionaire. Just to kind of not fully change your mindset, but at least give you an understanding that you don't need to sell everything because you made $100,000. There's so much opportunity left on the table. I don't want to take away the profit, but I want you guys to kind of seize the opportunity and be able to make a little bit more profit on top of it. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for BTCC. Let's say you did get in late to the crypto market. You can seize the opportunity by finding leverage trading and being able to understand leverage trading a lot more. I do not recommend that you go into this with a gambling mindset, thinking of just taking a position like, oh, Ethereum looks good, let me just throw it in on Ethereum. You don't know where Ethereum's price is. If Ethereum's at a higher price, you will lose everything that you've invested into it, because it could come back on you in a brief setting and then end up skyrocketing. So just make sure that you are doing your research, you're learning about trading and leverage trading and the crypto market at the same time. So I recommend using BTCC's demo platform to see if you can, be profitable. So use that. Sign up with my link down below. You'll also get a 10% first deposit bonus, as well as up to $10,000 of extra bonuses per user, and 40% lower trading fees. So it gives you the opportunity to leverage trade at a higher level. You can trade outright. You can also demo trade. You can also look up a lot of things and do chart analysis as well. So you're getting a lot with this platform. Feel free to use my link down below. It's at the top of the description. However, let's go ahead and dive into where the market is right now. The crypto market, the global crypto market, is at a $3.3 trillion market cap. It's up slightly, 0.02%. right? Not a crazy amount of movement there, especially with Bitcoin being down and a lot of other things honestly being up. And speaking of that, you're seeing that kind of transition from a little bit of what Bitcoin season is to altcoin season, currently at 56.6%, a slight decrease in the Bitcoin dominance of 0.06%. Altcoin season is going to be big for a lot of the coins that are in the market. Besides Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin's already had a massive run, and you expect to see the same from others that are in the market. So things like Ethereum is slightly down. You see XRP that's up by 4%. It seems like other things are starting to kind of transition, especially in the last hour. You're seeing XRP up by 1.3%, and then a lot of other things that are green as well. Cardano up by 1.3%, 5 or 6% in the last 24 hours. But you can see that there's a bunch of cryptocurrencies that are dropping. The last time I checked before going through a full market update, things were looking a little bit more positive, but that's perfectly fine. KuCoin token is at 4%. Cardano, again, about 5 or 6%. Celestia also at about 4% there. So when I think of cryptocurrency, when I think of, starting out right now, you still have the opportunity to make so much money. However, the people that have been watching my channel from the beginning, you now have an opportunity to make a lot more money. Because where did you invest in at, right? If we go and look at Ethereum, let me go ahead and refresh this because I know they changed some things. If we go and look at Ethereum and we look back, when we were talking about it, all history, right? We go back to 2022, we go back to 2021. I started talking about it somewhere around right here. When it was at 1,700, 1,800, it started pushing up. Actually, it might have even been further. It was like 2020. So yeah, it was at a very low price. I started really getting into cryptocurrency as it was around the $1,700, $2,000 mark or so. Ended up skyrocketing all the way up to about $5,000, and we saw the worst of cryptocurrency, right? Where it hit its high, people were like, yeah, we're seeing this up to $10,000, and all of a sudden, boom, dropped down, right? You have a bear market, you have a fall, the crash comes down to a way lower low, and it shows only $1,000. This actually came down to about $800, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But I ended up investing at a level of $1,000, making some money from it as we moved along. 2023 was a rough year for me, just because I was trying to keep the money in the crypto market without having to take anything out of there. And I'm glad that I was able to do so. I did take some out, but I'm glad that I was able to keep a lot that was in there, because you can see where crypto has hit, right? It went up to about 4,000, decreasing back down to 2,000, but then increasing back up to 4,000. So you had the opportunity to make so much just from here to here, or from here to here, or from even here to here. The opportunity that we're going to have with not just Ethereum, but things like Pepe, things like Shiba Inu, things like BNB and XRP and Solana, and so many things. I'm excited for what's to come, because we're all going to have that opportunity. And I wish I can go through and show you my portfolio. I stopped showing a portfolio of how much I do have, because I do still have all of my cryptocurrency. I haven't decided to sell any. I do also have forever cryptocurrency that I plan on holding forever, just that, forever. But the point is that I'm trying to make with this video is not to tell you, oh, I have so much, and you, the people that started out in the beginning, have so much. You guys have an opportunity as we move forward, as we get into the true altcoin season, to make a decent amount of money and make changes maybe in your life, right? Where you've invested $10,000 and that could potentially turn into hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, depending on what you invested into. Now, while you have the opportunity to gain millions of dollars and become a crypto millionaire, it doesn't mean that you have to, and that's the expectation. If something like $400,000 can help out your life and get you on the right foot, I know people are trying to not only create wealth, but trying to quit their jobs. And I think that's not really the mindset that needs to happen. The mindset that needs to happen is being able to, one, accept profit, accept your initial investment, accept a larger amount of profit, while also being able to see what the future can bring for the ultimate goal. Where is XRP going? Is it going to a $10 price, $100 price? Where is Bitcoin going? 150, 200, Ethereum, 10,000, 20,000? What are you going to be able to gain from those levels as you set your exit plans? And that's the one thing that I want to make sure that people have, is to always, 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 no matter what the position is, to have an exit plan. This is my exit plan spreadsheet I have built over on Patreon. You can have XRP exit plan. You can have an exit plan on CRO, an exit plan on Jasmine Coin, an exit plan on Elon, Lucky's, Lunic, CRL or KRL, Grok, Farm, AVAX, ADA, TRB, whatever the position is, you can build an exit plan on that. And just to give you an understanding of what that is, you basically just put in the tokens that you have, which is, for me, I have 1 million tokens of Jasmine Coin, and you can say, all right, I want to sell this much to capture my initial investment. I want to sell this much to capture some profit, this much to capture some profit at certain levels. And you're giving yourself an exit plan, hitting other prices, and being happy with those as time moves on. Because if you hold everything until you get to a level of $1.50, you're holding millions of dollars at those times, right? So if I take all of this out until it gets to a level of $1, we're looking at $1, we're looking at $1 million. So we're holding hundreds of thousands of dollars when I only invested 4,000. That's not something that you want to just hold the whole entire time. You want to make sure you're accepting some profit, accepting some of your initial investment. But this definitely gives us the opportunity to become crypto millionaires. And I'm excited for you. I'm excited for your story. I'm excited for everyone else's journey. And I can't wait to hear those stories as soon as the market starts to absolutely explode when it comes to altcoins. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Check out my Patreon down below, as well as BTCC if you're interested. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.